All right, smart money gang. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm excited and I'm lit, right? Man, the trading week has been awesome, guys. Have you guys been missing out on all these good trades, man, that I've been calling out, man, on the channel, man? I've been calling out a lot of good trades, man. But you guys probably been missing out, right? So you still ain't been checking like my technical analysis, my technical Tuesdays, right? I know y'all seen what happened on the technical Tuesdays, right? That's why technical Tuesdays is important, guys. You need to be on here every Tuesday, every Sunday, getting the pre-market analysis and getting the technical analysis so you can see what's going on, guys. Or you can just get sentiment, right, of what's going on, right? Just conversation. Anyways, man, look, if you're new to the channel, right, like, share, subscribe, right? Become a smart money gang member. And then what I want you to do is tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, right? So disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you how to spend your money, what to do with your money. All I can do is mentor you guys, recommend, right? What you guys should be doing, teaching you guys how I make money each and every single day in the financial market, all right? So that is what I'm here for. That is what I'm doing for you guys. Right now, though, we about to go into that clip, man, on Technical Tuesdays real fast while I got you guys' attention. And I'm going to show you why this is very important.
What I feel bad.
So this is the bullish trend. This is the bullish,
there's no right scenario.
The bullish flag that we seen.
So price can come here
going on, and this is me giving my scenario, right? I'm giving you guys my scenario on what I think could happen or what could happen, right? So I said price could have bounced off here.
You can see, hey, boom, price
could have came here, or
break through here,
right?
And then push to the upside.
Push to the upside, right? So we see bearish. We see a bearish channel. Bullish flag, options, right, guys?
And so this is Euro all, guys.
So this is me. But this is me giving my pre markup, right? I mean, well, this is not the pre markup, but that was the technical Tuesdays. As you guys come here and see, I told you guys if you was aggressive, you would have got in down here somewhere, but you would have went through all of that and all of that. And then I told you guys, wait to see what's forming up around this level right here on this 58,000 level. And then what did price do? It shot up, it broke through this level. I told you guys if you was aggressive, you would get in here. And if you was a waiter, you would get in at this 58,500 level and then push it up to the upside. Still for what? Let's see how many pips if you would have been a waiter. So many pips you would be up right now. Oh, 40, 50 pips, right? If you was aggressive like me, a little bit like me, all right, 90 pips, 100 pips, right? So I caught the same on Euro, USD today already. So, but yeah, boom. This is why that is very, very, very important. But I already know you guys already read the title, man. So I already know why y'all here, man. I want to teach you guys the super trend, right? So this is what you've been needing. This is what you've been fiending for, right? This is the jackpot. Boom, I hit the jackpot, right? Straight 777s, man. You know what I'm saying? I hit the jackpot, hit the jackpot, hit the jackpot. Let's get it. You feel me? So this is the jackpot, man, right here. This is the jackpot strategy, right? I'm gonna show you guys this super trend, right? The secret super trend, right? This is the super trend, guys. So basically, I'm giving you a super trend breakdown, how to use the super trend, all right? So boom, what you want to do is you want to click here and then you want to go to what is this indicator right here, you know, the indicator and strategies thing, sign FX, right? You want to click on that and then you want to type in super trend, all right? So once you type in super trend, you say the trend is my friend. No, but for real, right? It's super trend, okay? So this is how you use it, man. So the green will be for obviously the buys, the uptrend, and the red is for the downtrend, sell, right? Sell button. So you can keep all of that the same. The inputs, the ATR period is 10, source is HL2, ATR multiplier is 3, and we got everything to the same chart depending on what time frame you are in, right? So then you go to style and you hit OK, then you hit all right. So look, boom. Now I'm about to try to tell you guys how you would use the super trend, right? How I will more than likely use the super trend as well, right? Basically when you get the buy, signal, right? Usually it's when price was going for a sale, right? And it hit, and it actually hit, the buy signal, right? And once it hit the buy signal, it opened up this buy signal, right? So once this buy signal opened up, after the red had pushed down into this buy signal, it opened up, and then it actually used, price actually used it for support, right? It's underpriced. So as long as the super trend is underpriced, price will be in an uptrend. Now, if the same is vice versa. So if so that is how you use it for the buy, right? It's usually the sell, which is price, comes down into the buy signal area, which is this green line right here, and then it triggers this buy signal, and then after that, price stays above this supported area, and it uses it as support, right? And it follows the trend, guys. So basically how you would use that, you know, you would still try to use key levels and things of that nature, but you would want to see price actually, you know, push the signal off before you would try to, you know, consider it. And then after you see it, you know, you still have to wait for certain candles to form up, you know, above it to use it as a supported area. All right, so now sell is the same difference, and you can have a live example now. So let's just say, right, this candle pushes all the way up to this sell area right here, right? Because this is resistance. So this is supposed to keep price down, but obviously price is pushing up towards it. So once it pushes up towards it, it will push this, right? And then it would signify a sell support, right? A sell signal, right? So it would signal a buy signal. I'm sorry. So once it pushes into the sell signal, it'll signal off a buy signal for here, right? Which would trail here and keep, you know, support, keep price above it, keep it as support, right? So right now it's as resistance, right? So as soon as it hit here, so as soon as this red candle hit this green supported area, it signaled this signal, which was a sell signal, and this is supposed to keep price down, right? But if price is coming at it, it's going to push up and signify a buy signal, right? So that you can keep saying price is going to go up. And that's how you will hold it. So you will use this as resistance right here, guys. So right now, basically when this signal came, it was like, boom, it hit this green line right here. It signified a sell, right? And so what happened was, even though it signified a sell, it was on this key level right here, guys. So it was on this key level. And what it did was it tried to stay under this other level right here, which it pushed down, but it stayed right in this range right here. So what it did was range until it broke this range. Okay, guys. So you had the correction and then the impulse move, right? So your correction, then impulse move. All right. So this is how you basically would use this, right? So now let's go see more examples, right? So here, right, we had these 3 candles pushed down. We had this 3rd candle pushed down into this green supported super trend, right? And then what happened? We got a sell signal, right? So after we got the sell signal, we had got basically like a moving average, right, to come follow us, right? So what happened was this moving average pushed price down. We traded the gap. It kept pushing price down, holding price down, holding price down, holding price down, right? So price finally came all the way down, and then it finally triggered this buy area, and then that's where you got this buy area and these buy candles pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. And so, boom, this is how you use the super trend, okay, guys? So, you know, you look for these buy signals and these sell signals. So a buy signal is support. It just basically help you guys find support. A lot of you guys might not need this. You might be looking like, wow, that is it. This is all this do. But, you know, if you have a hard time finding support and you have a hard time looking for resistance and you have a hard time following the trend, then yes, you can use this so you can understand an impulsive, a correction move, and then an impulsive move. All right. So, like I said, you know, listen, guys, don't take these indicators and these strategies and just run to the charts and use them right away, right? Try to seek out mentorship so you can get full understanding, right? All I can do is tell you about it and tell you exactly how the indicator move, but we cannot sit up and talk for 30 years on here telling you and teaching you every single step by step you need to take with using the super trend. Okay, don't just use the super trend alone, guys. As you see, we could probably go through here and I can show you plenty of times where, you know, the signal went off and it didn't really do as much, right? So we can go right here, a sell right here. And then boom, you would have got it for a sell, and then you would have got your money jack right there. Okay, Jack. So remember, you don't want to use the super trend against a trend. You need to understand and evaluate what the super trend is, right? Get your own understanding, get a full understanding, you know what I'm saying, and what the super trend is, but don't just solely depend on the super trend. Okay, guys. And I'm telling you this off experience and off of love, because I know I've been through this situation where I thought like, okay, boom, it worked for me a couple times and I got off and I was so happy. But at the end of the day, right here, you see a sell right here. What did price do? Continue to go up. So don't get crazy. All right, guys. Don't get crazy. Just make sure you actually back test this to see how it actually works and work out for you. Don't run off just because someone says they have a special strategy or a special skill. Because I can give you a 90 or 100% win rate, right? I can give you a 90% win rate, right? And at the end of the day, you can win 9 trades, 10 pips each, right? And you can be up 90 pips for the day. And then you go for your last trade, right? Which is your 10th one, right? So that's 90% win rate, right? And your 10th was a loss, right? And your 10th was a loss for 100 pips, okay? So guess what? Now your account is still down negative 10 pips, okay? You're not profitable. You did not profit for the day. And that's a lot of our problems, okay, guys? That's why we have a problem with letting winning trades run and then letting losing trades run. You know what I mean? Why do we let losing trades run and not the winners? Right? We get in, we win $10 and we happy. Let's start being comfortable with our trades, thinking about probability, thinking about all the confluences. Let's line up everything so it can make sense, right? So if the trade makes sense, we're positive that it is a low risk trade and I can risk a certain amount to make a bigger reward because I understand the logic in this, right? I understand the methodology in it, the psychology in it. And then that's why I'm placing these trades. I'm not placing them due to what's going on per se, right at this second. But hey, what could be going on later down the line? Okay, guys. So we're looking at historical data to try to determine the future. Even data that's present, we're looking at that to try to determine the future, right? So we're just speculating. We're spectators, all right? We in a retail market where we are retail traders. We're retail traders in a big market where we got central banks, and the big firms, right? Trading, right? So we know we cannot really move the market, and we know we don't really have as much capital as them, right? So we have to really understand our account size. We got to really understand our time that we can spend on this. We have to really understand the effort that we can put in and actually be, a winning trader, become a winning trader, guys. So like I said, I hope you guys don't look at this video and think, oh my God, this is the holy grail. I got the whole full strategy. These are indicators that are on, they're everywhere. They're on all platforms, guys. So they're on TradingView, right? People can claim that it's their strategy. They can claim that it's what they use or whatever, right? But they're here to use. I'm here to explain how to use them, guys. So if you want indicators and that's how you want to trade, then be my guest, right? Me personally, I don't need any indicators. I don't worry about the indicators and I don't care about an indicator. But I feel like that is some knowledge that I can just show you guys how to use a certain indicator. And if that's what you want, if those are the type of videos you want, then I would definitely keep producing these type of videos, guys. So I don't know if a lot of you guys follow me on Instagram, but I do give out basically a lot of free signals, a lot of free knowledge. These were my profits from earlier, right there, 1,000 plus. We even got small account profits running right here on a small account, real account, guys. So, we do trade, we do press the buttons, man. We do all that, man. So come on over here and get mentored, get your guidance, earn while you learn, understand these trades and these markets, understand that, Forex is a huge market, right? Nobody's picking on you deliberately. Nobody's just saying, oh, you know what, let me go against your trade. They don't care about your $20, $50, $100, $1,000, okay? It's $1 million industry, billions of dollars, trillions of dollars right in the market right now. So just trust me, guys. Forex could be for you. We just got to figure out a plan for you, right? We got to figure out a schedule for you, right? So that you can be able to, you know, grind and get in tune with us, right? So you already know what it is, SMSFX mentors. This is the first video, man. So be looking for the rest of them, man, because I'm dropping nothing but bangers, man. Nothing but knowledge, right, to get us to that next level. Let's get it. Y'all know what to do. Gang, gang.